World Cup. Like, senor, buena suerte, man. Yeah, good stuff forever. That was my telephone. Let's go 1 of 1. Yes, sir. Marcelo Brozovic, Croatia. Is there a particular player or just you want all refractors here? I didn't even look at the box number. Refractors and inserts. Romelu Lukaku. Or Prizms and inserts. Ki Sung Young. Red Prizm. 74 of 149 on Ki. Okay. Kai. Mape. Anything? You tell me. Ante Korch. David Silva. Not numbered. I haven't opened this stuff in forever. Oh, you got an auto, I think. You're a Spain fan? Alright, I got you. Juan Guillermo Cuadrado. Prizm. Let's make sure it's an autograph. Let's make sure. It is not. Jan Vertonghen. Why is it backwards? Is this backwards for the hell of it? That was weird. That was backwards for the autograph. Walid Abdullah. Because it's usually backwards for the autograph or for the it's in Russian. Carlos Sanchez for Uruguay. Oh, there's another backwards card. This one is autographed. Come on, Chicharito! Sergio Ramos. Karim Ansarifard. Ousmane Dembele for France. 13 of 199. Ricardo Rodriguez. Edgar Barcenas. Jaco. Andreas Grankvist. Andreas. Ivan Rakitic. Eden Hazard, Romelu Lukaku, Belgium. Santiago Arias, Colombia. Musa Dembele, Belgium. Jaco? I don't know how to pronounce that guy's name. And one last pack has Mario Mandzukic, Croatia. Alright, it's our autograph. I knew it could be rough in there, but how rough? There was no way to know. is gonna be Matthew Leckie. Yeah, I saw green. I thought it was gonna be Mexico. And I saw green. Like I said, I saw green. I thought it was gonna be Mexico. Ron Green. Thank you, Joel. Appreciate it, sir. I'll get you those. I'll separate some Spain cards out of there for you.